The skin is the largest organ in the human body. The skin covering an average adult has a surface area of about 1.5 square meters and a mass of about 12 kilograms, including the hypodermal fat layer. It protects the body against mechanical damage, UV radiation, and pathogens. Its keratin layer prevents it from drying out. It also plays an important role in temperature regulation. The skin is our largest sensory organ. Its receptors sense heat, cold,
and mechanical stimuli. Skeletal muscles are major organs of locomotion. There are about 350 skeletal muscles in the human body, making up 50% of body mass. There are long, short, flat, and ring-shaped muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones by tendons.